In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI as personal assistant in ClickUp. If you're looking for ways to optimize your workflow, save time, and let AI handle repetitive tasks, you're in the right place. ClickUp's AI tools are designed to simplify your workday by helping you manage projects, communicate effectively, and even automate your processes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident integrating AI into your ClickUp workspace and making the most of its powerful features. Let's get started. First, log in to your ClickUp workspace and open your main dashboard. This is where you'll see all your tasks, projects, and spaces laid out in one place. It's your central hub for everything, so make sure you're familiar with navigating this area. Next, locate the Brain Assistant. You can find it in a few different places: the toolbar, the location headers, or even within the chat feature. Once you know where it is, you'll have quick access to a whole range of AI-powered functionality. Now, let's explore what the Brain Assistant can do. You can ask it questions about your workspace, fetch key information, summarize tasks or chat threads, and even create new items like tasks, reminders, or documents. Think of it as your personal helper for staying organized. For example, if you need a quick summary of a lengthy chat thread or want to know the status of a specific task, the Brain Assistant can deliver that information instantly. You can also use the Brain Assistant to search both your workspace and the web. Whether you need to locate files stored in ClickUp or pull in external information, this tool makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for without switching between multiple apps. One of the standout features of the Brain Assistant is its ability to automate repetitive actions. By letting AI handle the routine tasks, you'll free up your time to focus on more important priorities. This could be anything from updating task statuses to creating recurring reminders. Taking automation a step further, you can set up Autopilot agents. These agents work in the background to monitor and update tasks, send reminders, or even generate reports and summaries automatically. They're perfect for keeping your projects on track while reducing manual effort. To make Autopilot agents even more effective, you can customize them to suit your specific needs. For example, you might set up an agent to send a summary report before each recurring team meeting. Tailoring these agents ensures they align perfectly with your workflow. As you work within ClickUp, you'll notice an AI icon appearing in tasks, documents, comments, or chats. This icon gives you access to contextual AI tools for text improvement, action item generation, translation, or summarization. It's like having an editor, translator, and task manager all rolled into one, right where you need it. In addition to managing text, you can use ClickUp's AI tools to schedule meetings, create calendar events, and even capture meeting notes automatically with the AI note taker. This is a game changer for staying on top of your schedule and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. If typing isn't your preference, you'll love the Talk to Text feature. This allows you to speak tasks or instructions directly into ClickUp, making it faster than ever to capture your thoughts and add them to your workspace. For visual organization or presentations, ClickUp's AI can also generate and edit images. This is particularly useful when you need custom visuals to enhance your projects or communicate ideas more effectively. Finally, take the time to explore all the AI features ClickUp has to offer. By experimenting with different tools, you'll discover which ones fit your workflow best and how they can help you achieve your goals more efficiently. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start leveraging these powerful AI tools today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.